Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present simple. Negative sentences. I don't.
Los verbos auxiliares don y dasen se colocan entre el sujeto y el verbo principal. Usamos dasen para he, she y there.
Structure. Subject. Plus. Do or does not. Plus. Verb. Plus. Complement. Examples. I don't like my job.
I don't like my job.
I don't like my job.
I don't drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
You don't work very hard.
You don't work very hard.
You don't work very hard.
They don't watch TV very often.
They don't watch TV very often.
They don't watch TV very often.
She doesn't like cakes.
She doesn't like cakes.
She doesn't like cakes.
He doesn't like to play football.
He doesn't like to play football.
He doesn't like to play football.
It doesn't rain very often.
It doesn't rain very often.
It doesn't rain very often.
She doesn't have many friends.
She doesn't have many friends.
She doesn't have many friends.
I don't like watering the garden.
I don't like watering the garden.
I don't like watering the garden.
She doesn't know how to speak French.
She doesn't know how to speak French.
She doesn't know how to speak French.
You don't know how to play the piano.
You don't know how to play the piano.
You don't know how to play the piano.
She usually doesn't eat breakfast.
She usually doesn't eat breakfast.
She usually doesn't eat breakfast.
I don't want to be a doctor.
I don't want to be a doctor.
I don't want to be a doctor.
You don't drink soda.
You don't drink soda.
You don't drink soda.
They don't have a car.
They don't have a car.
They don't have a car.
I don't like her.
I don't like her.
I don't like her.
He doesn't live with his parents.
He doesn't live with his parents.
He doesn't live with his parents.
She doesn't make her bed.
She doesn't make her bed.
She doesn't make her bed.
This dress doesn't cost much.
This dress doesn't cost much.
This dress doesn't cost much.
I don't eat much fruit.
I don't eat much fruit.
I don't eat much fruit.
You don't do much sport.
You don't do much sport.
You don't do much sport.
He doesn't drive his car.
He doesn't drive his car.
He doesn't drive his car.
She doesn't go out on weekends.
She doesn't go out on weekends.
She doesn't go out on weekends.
We don't cook at home.
We don't cook at home.
We don't cook at home.
They don't have cats at home.
They don't have cats at home.
They don't have cats at home.
They don't live in the city.
They don't live in the city.
They don't live in the city.
We don't eat sausages.
We don't eat sausages.
We don't eat sausages.
This perfume doesn't smell bad.
This perfume doesn't smell bad.
This perfume doesn't smell bad.
I don't comb my hair often.
I don't comb my hair often.
I don't comb my hair often.
She doesn't have many clothes.
She doesn't have many clothes.
She doesn't have many clothes.
They don't come to town often.
They don't come to town often.
They don't come to town often.
We don't usually eat out.
We don't usually eat out.
We don't usually eat out.
We don't often visit them.
We don't often visit them.
We don't often visit them.
I don't hear the news.
I don't hear the news.
I don't hear the news.
I don't have much spare time.
I don't have much spare time.
I don't have much spare time.
I never go to bed early.
I never go to bed early.
I never go to bed early.
I don't want to miss anything.
I don't want to miss anything.
I don't want to miss anything.
He doesn't swim in the pool.
He doesn't swim in the pool.
He doesn't swim in the pool.
She doesn't control her emotions.
She doesn't control her emotions.
She doesn't control her emotions.
He doesn't travel overseas.
He doesn't travel overseas.
He doesn't travel overseas.
This cat doesn't eat meat.
This cat doesn't eat meat.
This cat doesn't eat meat.
This dog doesn't bark.
This dog doesn't bark.
This dog doesn't bark.
This parrot doesn't speak.
This parrot doesn't speak.
This parrot doesn't speak.
I don't trust anyone.
I don't trust anyone.
I don't trust anyone.
He doesn't have a job.
He doesn't have a job.
He doesn't have a job.
She doesn't put on makeup.
She doesn't put on makeup.
She doesn't put on makeup.
He doesn't have much work experience.
He doesn't have much work experience.
He doesn't have much work experience.
They don't make much noise.
They don't make much noise.
They don't make much noise.
I don't have a laptop.
I don't have a laptop.
I don't have a laptop.
I don't write books.
I don't write books.
Thanks.
for watching.